Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay and you guys are watching 25 DIYs of Christmas. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing patterned HTV Christmas decor, and again, this doesn't have to just be Christmas decor. You can use any of our patterned HTV on my website to use on things, but I really wanted to show you some techniques on using patterned HTV in this process so that you can see why sometimes patterned HTV or vinyl can kind of be a flop, but I wanted to show you that. So we're gonna do a holiday decor out of it, and I will show you the final shots of it in my new kitchen. So let's go. Alrighty guys, today we are going to be using our patterned HTV from shopantitay.com. We are using a couple of our Christmas patterns that I'm absolutely in love with. We are going to turn our machine to iron on, and then I'm gonna load in my SVG from shopantitay.com. Actually, these are available at antitay.com if you are a member. We have lots of holiday themed everything. Just make sure that it is set to mirrored, and we are gonna use our standard grip mat. If you just follow the basic rules of HTV or EasyWeed, this should be pretty good, and it can handle fast mode really well. And so we're just going to click the cut button, and then we're going to cut it out. So if you turn it around, you can kind of see where your cut lines are, but I'm going to tell you a tip on using patterned HTV is to use a background that the color is nowhere in the pattern, because as soon as you use any color that's in the pattern tends to disappear on those parts. So on the wood grain, the black is going to blend in, but this red and white, it's like plaid, it's not checkered, or it's checkered, it's not buffalo print. It won't blend in at all with the back. So we are going to turn it over to see if we missed any spots. That's my favorite spot. You can see in the A and the D that there are 2 spots, and over here on the T, there are a couple spots that we missed. So now I'm gonna weed those out, and when it's fully ready, I'm just going to iron it on like you would any other iron. Iron on, I'm gonna use my Easy Press. I'm gonna set it to 305 for 15 seconds, and then I'm gonna slowly peel back the plastic after I've ironed it on once it's fully cooled off, and there you have it.